Alright, what is up, guys? Tanner again. This time we are going on the Indian Trail. I'm super excited to do this trail. I have seen a couple pictures that show of a old wood log cabin up here, and I'm super excited to see that. I'm gonna take a lunch break up there and I'll do some descriptions and stuff about this trail, but in the meantime I will be showing you the way there. Okay, the first turn you're gonna make is gonna be to the right. There's a little sign right there, points to Indian Trail this way. The canyon here through the woods for a little bit. You're gonna pop out here and have an incredible view of Ogden Canyon. Turn you're gonna make is right here, and it's pretty obvious. It says Indian Trail. Don't be a dumbass. Halfway on the hike here, and as of right now, and I think the verdict will stand when I'm done with the hike too, I don't recommend doing it. I'm not kidding you when I tell you this trail is all ice. When I say ice, I'm serious. It is ice. Like, you cannot do anything. I have come from just over there to here. It took me about 20 minutes because I had to go from there up here, around, down, just to get to here. So if you have spikes, then I recommend the hike. I just don't have them, unfortunately. Anyways, yeah, let's keep on going. All right, so I finally made it to this little cabin shed thing, and from the 22nd Street parking lot there, it is about 3 miles on the trail. When you get here, you're gonna have, let's see here, something provided. Oh, you can see what's out here in the valley. Okay, so you can see the 21st pond, which is 4.5 miles. I'm not gonna read them all because remember, I'm not wasting your guys' time anymore. But the furthest that I can see is the Lakeside Mountains way over there, and that's 52 miles away. You can't see the Newfoundland or the Pilot Range. Let's go check out this spot though. Huh, super cool. And I will eat lunch here, so I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Okay, before taking off again, I'm gonna give a little description about the trail provided by All Trails. Anyways, it is a 9-mile trail that loosely traces the old Shoshone Indian path used in ancient times to get out of Ogden Canyon and onto the Salt Lake Plain. The trail is heavily forested, and even though you are close to Ogden, has a wilderness feel to it. The trail is well maintained and even cool in the summer. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. It's a moderate hike when the conditions are right. Right now it's a really difficult hike unless you have spikes, like I've already discussed. Anyways, yeah, that's the description. I'm gonna get going again and take you guys the rest of the way. So let's go.
Open your eyes to the universe. Open your eyes and realize you'll discover yours. Open your eyes. Open your eyes to the universe.
Trail, I am almost finished, I believe. I know I have less than about a quarter of a mile to go. This trail up here just goes up to this lookout, and there is a camping spot up here. Also, there's a camping spot right down below it, down in here. You can't really see it because of the trees here, but you can see the fire pit right down there. That one would be probably the one I would choose, just because you got running water right down there too. And it's a little bit further off the trail, but let's keep going. I'm not exactly sure what this is. This is down here in the parking lot. This is showing how they make lime. Kind of cool here. That concludes the Indian Trail. I'm gonna stick by what I said and not recommend this hike still. I think it's too early. I think that if you waited, it would make the trail a lot more enjoyable. You'll be able to see a lot more stuff. There's just a lot of things I think would be better later on, and it would make it a lot less dangerous if you went later on, because right now it is extremely icy, and if you went over the edge, it wouldn't be very good. So if you like the hike, if you like the way that I did this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, leave your comments down below, and share. Anyways, catch you later.